All right, so this is lecture 24. I'm Brandon, and this is Tristan. Started at slide 2. The concept of entropy and the spontaneous expansion of a gas can be illustrated through the setup of a container divided into two sections by a stopcock. Initially, one side contains gas at 1 atm of pressure, while the other side is evacuated. When the stopcock is closed, the gas remains confined to one side, maintaining its initial conditions. Upon opening the stopcock, the gas spontaneously expands to fill both sides of the container evenly, resulting in a final pressure of 0.5 atm in each section. This expansion occurs without any external input of energy, demonstrating the natural tendency of systems to move toward a state of higher entropy or great disorder.
So then we talked about that for a spontaneous reaction, the components of entropy change of the universe can vary. In exothermic reactions, the system can either become more disordered or more ordered while still increasing the entropy of the surroundings due to the release of heat. In an endothermic reaction, the system often becomes more disordered, compensating for the decrease in entropy or the surroundings caused by heat absorption.
In living systems, breaking down food and generating heat, examples of spontaneous reactions characterized by a negative change in free energy. On the other hand, metabolic processes such as building muscle involve non-spontaneous reactions which require a positive change in free energy. Living systems drive these non-spontaneous reactions by coupling them with spontaneous reactions, ensuring the overall energy balance supports vital biological functions.
We talked about some of the examples of chemical reactions in living systems, such as cellular respiration and the process of bees making honey. We can also include photosynthesis, protein synthesis, and digestion.
So glycolysis is a series of chemical reactions that convert glucose to pyruvate. This process represents a major anaerobic pathway for the metabolism of glucose in the cells of living organisms. Through glycolysis, glucose molecules are broken down into pyruvate ions, which serve as a key intermediates for energy production and further metabolic processes.
A phosphorylation reaction involves the addition of a phosphate group to an organic molecule. This process is essential in many biological systems, playing a key role in energy transfer and cellular signaling. For example, the phosphorylation of ADP to ADP is a critical step in cellular respiration that provides energy for various cellular activities.
ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is a molecule used to drive non-spontaneous reactions in cells. It acts as an energy currency, storing and transferring energy which is needed. For instance, ATP hydrolysis releases energy that powers processes like active transport and muscle contraction.
And finally, we looked at a diagram that illustrates the ATP cycle where energy from food breakdown is used to convert ADP to ATP, storing free energy. And then ATP then drives energy requiring reactions such as the synthesis of complex molecules, converting back to ADP. This cycle is vital for maintaining energy flow in living organisms, linking catabolic and anabolic processes. And that's our summary recap for lecture 24. Thank you.